Welcome to MarineMax. Today I get to walk you through this boat here right on our show floor. This is the Nautique S21. So the S series is a great all-around boat. It replaced the 210 and 230 Super Air, and this is a 210 or 21-foot boat. Let's go to the interior and take a look. All right, welcome aboard this S21. Just a gorgeous interior. This is the sand interior with the black accents and some other accents with gold, kind of that gold accent along there. You got speakers up top, bimini, nice round seating. You got the pull-out bench. This backrest here will pop up. We got storage under there, and we come to the helm seat. Excellent helm seat, hugs you while you're driving. This has got the ZZ5 PCM engine, and then we've got the nice touch screen, all your information right there. Right next to the throttle you do have your controls right here, right at your fingertips. 21 footer, nice deep bow, cup holders, got the JL audio. Just a great all-around boat. This is a great surf boat, great boat just to go out and hang out. Love this interior. This boat here is at our Rogers location if you'd like to come by and take a look.